Here I was working on an Infiniti, but it applies to Nissan too with the V6 engine, the 3.5 liter engine. And I noticed there was crust by the head gasket area on both sides of the engine. And I don't think it's that common. Maybe it is somewhat common enough that there is a TSB on it. I didn't see any videos on this or any information because I thought it was, a blown head gasket. And, sometimes I've recommended the customer go to the dealer to see what they can do. But there's a TSB on it, and here's the TSB. And if you want to read up on it and pause the video, you can do that. The important part here I want to read out is I highlighted it, and it says, in some cases, some crusting of seeping cooling around head gaskets or coolant hoses is normal. And it basically says it doesn't require a repair. It only requires a repair, if you keep reading, if it meets one of the conditions 1, 2, or 3. And if you look up here where it says 1, 2, 3, is fluid dripping, fluid pooling, or any consumption loss, meaning if the coolant is like super low for some reason. But apparently if you see that, it's normal. And here are some pictures that they provided of the crusting, which it's very minimal. And if you see it on your car, it'll probably be way more, just like on my car, because I've seen it on different cars and it's way more than this. This is like very light. But like I said, on the TSB it says it's normal. So if you have this car, it's probably normal. As long as it's not dripping or anything, you should be good.